welcome back to Research Circle. The topic for today's discussion is 5 ways to choose the perfect final year project topic. Now, it's one of the biggest headache for university students. If you are in final year, you finally figured out university life and you are excited to start your career. You just need to complete your final year project and you are good to go. Only the thing is, you have got no idea how or where to start, or we have got covered. So this particular topic is we have invited none of other than professors for this particular discussion. So here is the conclusion only we can say. The first thing that concluded is choose a topic that interests you. In your final year, you will have studied a lot of subject and discovered new concepts and technologies, but there will be one particular field that would have fascinated you more. It might be a technology that you learned in a subject or an industrial process that your interest and made you want to know more about during that practical session. So it might even be a topic you did not study in a course, but something that is emerging. So it's always good to choose a project in which you have more interest, because you will be able to develop the project in a better way while enjoying the project. The note here is avoid controversial topics and subject areas that are overdone. In case of later, it won't be easy to throw new light on the topic. So then the next step is identify an industrial or social problem and solve it. To be precise, you have to be precise, solid to your project. Like hit up Google and look for some industrial problem that are relatively simple, or refer to an article or for the current environmental issues and try to devise an innovative solution. You can also look at the history of the projects that are already been done on the respective domain. Concentrate on the new topic that have been published in prestigious forums such as Springer, etc. But be current, avoid selecting final year projects that are based on old and outdated technologies. Always select a project that involves the latest trending techniques that have a large scope for the future advancement. Next thing is make a list of all probable topics. Now, when you are dealing with challenge that seems huge, it helps you to break it down into a smaller task. So before choosing your topic, write down the probable topics you prefer and consider the variable aspects. Then shortlist at least 5 topics as your project title. Out of the 5 topics, choose the one that is comparatively easier and also choose to your interest. Why? It's because you are going to be and spending a lot of time on your final year project. As we know, if you are going to spend a lot of time with something, it helps you to like it. The next thing is find the right superior. Now, having the right mentor is extremely important. Without proper guidance, it will be extremely difficult for you to complete the final year project on time. So identify a mentor who can feel more comfortable interacting with and discuss your project idea thoroughly with them. And the last step, I think, is identify all the resources at your disposal. Now, to excel in your final year project, it's not good enough to just a good team and innovative topic. You need to have a proper infrastructure and the facilities to work on it hands on. Identify all the facilities that are available to you at your university. Make a list of all the other things that you may need to complete the project: statistical details, government permission, research work, and any other kind of survey or experiment. So these are few handy tips which will help you to choose your final year project title or topic. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will find this helpful. Do subscribe to Research Circle channel and take care of yourself.